Hello, my Libra Scorpio cousin. Let's try and find out how the month of July 25 will be for you, my love. Sweetie pies, if you're new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Vibra to Live family. If you belong to my zodiac signs, darlings, hang on for some more time. Shortly, we'll upload a reading for you. This is for my cusp babies. So, let's bifurcate the reading into three parts. First to the 10th, 11th to the 20th, and then from the 21st to the 31st. So, without further ado, let's get along with your reading. Angels and spirit guides, first 10 days, please. We begin with playfulness, courage, sorrow, rebel, aloneness. You've been missing someone highly, okay, and this is what it's trying to say. Aloneness is trying to say you're missing someone, and it's like, I've been through so much, but I wish he or she could understand, or I wish somebody could understand, okay, and that's the kind of partnership you are missing in the first 10 days. Don't give up on yourself. That is where universe, is testing you. Are you ready to let go of someone who has been playing in your thoughts? Don't stress yourself, okay. Avoid being a people's pleaser. It's trying to say you have to take your life back into action, because you're getting distracted in your thoughts or in whatever senses you say. Get back on track, focus, don't share your weaknesses, your leadership quality, something that is asking you, gather that courage and go. Success is embracing you. So reflect on where you think you're getting distracted. Is this thing, I know that emptiness, that vacuum is there. Call for your angels. They will support you, they will guide you, okay. Don't stop yourself in heading towards the success by overstressing, is what universe is trying to remind you in the first 10 days. But yeah, you have good news. Partnership offers are there. You are traveling, finance flow, stability. Finally that stability will come to you, but I think it's the inner work is what it's trying to say. Now let's come to the mid 10 days. That would be from 11th to the 20th. We begin with mind, slowing down, awareness, traveling, dream. This was the bottom of your deck, okay, in the first 10 days. So what is it trying to say? Whatever you want, you can achieve, okay. News is coming. Take baby steps. Finance flow is bringing you success. Whatever you have been dreaming about, reunions, meeting old colleagues, celebration moments, so something good is coming up. Awareness and mind. Can you see that anger outburst you are having? Something that you're taking rash decisions, because can you see that's the back of your head, and look at the way it is. It's all scattered, okay. Your body is hurting. So this is what it's trying to say. Don't do that. Let go, forgive. It's okay. People make mistakes. Even you must have made some mistake. We are humans, right? So let go, and let go of that anger. Be aware. Right now what is important is something that you should be working on, is what universe is trying to remind you. The ball is in your court, because success is coming towards you, but it's like you've just given up, then it won't come in your side, is what universe is trying to tell you. So don't let go of that opportunity. Go slow. Let's read for the energies between 21st to the 31st. We have experiencing, going with the flow, inner voice, flowering. Hello, we've got two queens and a feminine energy. Finance flow is coming to you. You guys are going to be extremely happy. Remember, your experience is going to take you, broaden your vision. You will travel. Pregnancy, adoption. Have faith in the process of life, because wherever universe is taking you now, it's taking you in the correct direction. You have to just listen to your gut feeling. That's it. The last 10 days, follow your gut feeling, darlings. Whatever you want, you are going to achieve. Finally, what you've not achieved is something you can achieve in the last 10 days. Now, that is what it's trying to say. Now, let's ask your angels, what guidance do they have for you for this month? Ground yourself. So, stay connected with Mother Earth. Always have a down to earth approach. I know you do, but then still, okay. Walk bare feet, because that will help you in releasing your stress. Flower therapy can help to burn incense or these oils, in your diffusers, in your bathing water. That will help you, okay. Now, let's come to your love life. Let's see. Angels and spirit guides. Let's take this also, okay, because it was popping up. Oh, passion, golden mirror, and love call. Somebody will express their emotions. Okay, so that's how it's coming. Don't be self-obsessed. It is also trying to say avoid love bombing. You will have insane chemistry. Okay, so whoever is coming in your life, there will be like an instant attraction. You would want to hold on to that kind of a thing, but avoid getting too much into it, is what the energies are saying. Now let's come to let's see what's coming up for you in this month. Angels and spirit guides. Hellos. Look at this synchronicity, message, love call. So somebody is going to communicate with you, and that seems to be interesting. Could be through calls, text messages, emails, love letter. Okay, so be open. There's nothing to be scared about, but yes, you can expect some news coming up. How should I sum up this month? This is your month. This is how I can say, because when you let go of the baggages that you are holding on to, anger, resentments, being a people's pleaser, and staying focused, whatever you want, universe is blessing you with partnership, finance flow, spiritual growth, emotional happiness as well. Your angels are asking you to always stay grounded, matters of heart, insane chemistry, expect confessions. Don't be too obsessed or about yourself over the other person as well. Expect some message coming up your way. So ideally, communication will play a very important role. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading, and I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.